and we should shine our eyes. About that, I know. Silence of former heads of state. I think they must have been so shocked beyond comprehension. And when things get to this level, but I want to plead with them. No, silence is not right. They should speak up. This is the time you know the right people for the right occasion. Their silence is very, very deceptive. They should talk out. They should speak out. They've been through that channel. Their nation needs them now, not after they are dead. They should talk now. This is the time they should talk and tell the truth to power. All is not well. Where do we want to run to? Like you see the G7, the big, all those European countries, they are coming to Nigeria saying, "Kadan kadao, why you? Slow down and think." So our former leaders should come up. They must say something. If they don't, history will look at them as being partisan or acquiescing to the mess in which we find ourselves. And you are invariably not fighting General Buhari. All you are doing is making suggestions to him. His departure time is close. This is mid-February now. March, April, May, he goes home. It's not when things have completely destabilized, when you now start proposing all kinds of theories. Talk now or forever keep your mouth